This is the Hotel Wayne. It's an old establishment here in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. Doing a quick video tour. So I walk down the corridor of the Hotel Wayne here in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. It's a pretty old establishment. This is the overlook at Main Street here in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. Night is just beginning to fall, so it's dusk. And we're heading downstairs to the bistro and then out the door at the Wayne Hotel in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. Kind of dark there, and you can see down there pretty much the same layout, and we're heading out. That is the bistro, and then out the door.